And then to boot, he freaking pulls into McDonald's. He pulls into McDonald's of all places. Not going to a call, not going to like save someone's life, not going to nothing. He's not even on duty. He's in his plain clothes in his Glenpool police car, flying 100 miles an hour down Highway 75 to McDonald's. What is up, Lambros? It's SteveCurrington.com if you're new to the channel. I'm Lambro Steve. Today I'm in my Lexus, just relaxing as I cruise on down the road. And I get passed by a Glenpool cop that is doing like, I don't know, 100 and something miles an hour down the highway for no reason. Passes me. And then here he is. He just pulled into McDonald's. Hey, bro. You in a hurry somewhere?
What's that?
Are you in a hurry somewhere?
I was actually, yes.
Okay, well, you flew by me about 100 and some miles an hour. You don't have lights on. If I do that shit out here, I get pulled over. You guys bust my chops all the time. I'm just saying, if you're in a police car and you're not running hot, that's inappropriate for you to be speeding, especially when you're coming to McDonald's. So I respect the police and I respect what you guys are doing, but that's bullshit for you to be flying down the highway doing 100 miles an hour for no damn reason at all.
I don't think I was doing that fast.
Well, I was doing about 70 and you flew past me.
Okay. Yeah,
So
I understand that, but
I want to know what call you're on. Are you even on duty?
I am not.
Okay, well then just slow down.
That's okay. Thank you.
I mean, come on, bro. This guy's not even on duty. He's not going on a call. He just freaking said that he wasn't going on a call, or he said he was going on a call. Then he says he's not even on duty, and he's literally just flying at 100 miles an hour down the highway. Off duty, running like church security, and he's doing 100 miles an hour down the highway. So, look, I'm a big supporter of the cops. I support police, but I get pulled over all the time for speeding. I get pulled over all the time for speeding, and I get the riot act from cops for them saying that we're driving too fast or reckless or we're going to hurt someone or we're going to kill someone. And this guy's coming in like rush hour right after church traffic, flying past me at 100 miles an hour down the highway. It's absolutely ridiculous. And then to boot, he freaking pulls into McDonald's. He pulls into McDonald's of all places. Not going to a call, not going to like save someone's life, not going to nothing. He's not even on duty. He's in his plain clothes in his Glenpool police car, flying 100 miles an hour down Highway 75 to McDonald's. It's ridiculous. So I'm sure he was super nice when I talked to him because he knew I had the camera right in his face. So I'm sure when this goes up, I'll get some hate because, oh, you shouldn't be picking on police. I'll tell you this right now. You live to the same standard as we do, bro. So just don't do that crap. And when you get called out, I said, just slow down. So thanks for watching. I'm going to go get unpissed off. We'll see you in the next video.
Okay.